Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Domestic Engineer 101. Today we have our Trader Joe's and Aldi haul that we're going to go over today. I decided to go ahead and combine them like I did last week just because we get a little bit from each store, so together it's pretty substantial for a week's worth of groceries. And I'll go ahead and I will start on this end, which is everything that we got from Aldi this week. So the first thing I'm going to start over here with like the canned items and boxed items. The first thing I went ahead and picked up was a can of organic black beans. I'm going to use that. Last week I ended up making some sweet potato and black bean burritos, and it was a really big hit with the family, so they requested it again. So we're going to go ahead and make that again this week. Then I went ahead and picked up 3 cans of the Goya coconut water. And I don't know if I shared this with you guys in a previous video, but I personally don't really care for this stuff on its own. Like my mom and aunts and everybody, they love this stuff because my family is Jamaican, but I personally don't like it on its own. So I use this and I use it as my base to make smoothies with instead of using milk. So if I put like oatmeal in my smoothies to make it like a meal replacement, like a breakfast smoothie, I'll use milk. But if everything that I'm using is like fruit based and spinach, then I'll go ahead and use it with coconut water, and I really like the flavor of that. I went ahead and picked up a box of the organic vegetable broth. And also, our family isn't really big on cilantro, so like this will probably end up going to waste unless I find really something to use it with. But I got it because I'm going to be making like a Chipotle style dinner this week. So with like the cilantro lime rice and the fajitas and black beans and things like that. So I actually got that for that. And then this isn't vegan, but I went ahead and picked up Kobe Jack cheese. So this is for Darius and Maddie, so they can put on their burritos, on the Chipotle bowls that we're going to make this week. And also salad is on the menu this week, so that's for them. And I also picked up for them a organic Caesar dressing from Aldi. That's their favorite type of dressing, so I haven't personally tried this, so hopefully it tastes good and hopefully they like it. Also for salads for them, I picked up a cheese and garlic croutons for them, and I believe I have a regular like Italian herb croutons in the cabinet for myself for my salads this week. I also went ahead and picked up a bag of red skin potatoes from Aldi. I don't remember what I'm using. I think I'm making a soup this week that calls for this. And this didn't come from Aldi or Trader Joe's, but I usually pick up milk from Aldi, like I told you guys this week. But we went ahead and stopped by Sam's Club, and they had the 3.5 gallons. I think it was like either maybe $7.50, $7 or $8 for 3.5 gallons. So I just said we'll just go ahead and get that from there. We went there to pick up like our regular household items like toilet paper and paper towels, dishwasher pods and things like that. So I went ahead and grabbed that. The last thing that we have from Aldi this week is they had a deal on kiwi fruit. So Maddie and Darius absolutely love kiwi. As far as for me, it really like irritates the skin on my mouth and like gets me all scratchy and things like that. So I haven't really eaten them much lately. I'm down to try it again, so I'll try it and let you guys know if I have the same type of reaction as last time. Excuse me if you guys hear me sniffing a lot. I'm getting over a cold, so that's what that is. Okay, and then now we're on to our Trader Joe's portion. For produce, I went ahead and picked up one red onion. Like, we don't use a lot of red onion in our house, so I want to say this might be like the first or second one that I've bought since we've actually moved to Charlotte, but this is for the Chipotle fajita mix that I'm gonna make this week. So I decided to go ahead and get that. And I got 2 single pears. Now these are for, not for us, this is actually for baby. So she's eating, steamed and pureed foods right now. And I make all of her food from scratch. I don't really buy anything pre-made, like the pre-made baby food or in the jars or anything like that. So I'll go ahead, wash these, peel them, and put them in our steamer. And then I'll put them in our baby bullet and puree that and give that to her. And she hasn't had pears yet. She's had apples. So we'll see how she does with the pears. Once again, which we probably get this every week from Trader Joe's, it's a sliced baby Bella mushrooms. That's going to go in a bunch of recipes, I think, that I'm making this week. Now, also, Trader Joe's had a sale on asparagus. Now, normally, so Aldi had a sale on asparagus as well this week, but I personally don't like thin asparagus. I like my asparagus to be thick like this. And I think these are like $1.99 a bunch at Trader's. I'll have the, price down low so you guys will know. But yeah, so this I think is also going in like some type of stir fry or pasta or maybe soup this week. I can't remember off the bat, but that's that. I also picked up, once again, they make the cut just about every week, are the teeny tiny avocados from Trader Joe's. If I don't make avocado toast with this, what I'll probably do is I'll make some homemade guac so I can go ahead and use up that cilantro that I got from Aldi. And therefore, yeah, I'll probably end up doing that. And I have like some corn tortilla chips or whatever, and I'll probably use that to snack on during the week. Also, I picked up a bag of the sweet potatoes from Trader Joe's, and this is also for the burritos that I'm making again, as well as for baby. She really likes sweet potatoes, so I'll steam those and mash those as well for her. And then also I picked up 1 single red bell pepper, which is going to be also for the Chipotle fajita mix that I'm making. And as far as fruit for the week, this is our like mini fruit bowl here from last week. We have 1 cantaloupe and 1 orange that's left from last week. And so I picked up another bag of the organic Pink Lady apples, which were really good, as well as another bunch of bananas, and they're slightly green. And what I've noticed, like in our house, they're green today, but literally they'll probably be, we lost them there, they'll probably be ready to go within like, a day or two. So, and then left over from last week, we have 3 bananas that are like super, super ripe right now, like with all the brown spots. So I'll either and we have some strawberries left over from last week as well. So what I'll do is I'll either make a strawberry banana smoothie today, just for me and Darius to have in the morning or later on as a snack. Or if I don't do that, or he doesn't want a smoothie, then I'll probably just end up freezing those bananas. And then also, so this is a first for me, or for us, this is the English peas from Trader Joe's. Now I got these for a recipe that I'm making this week, and then also to steam for baby, because as another green vegetable. So she's gonna try the asparagus this week, and she'll probably try the asparagus and the peas, and the pears are probably what she's gonna try this week. So these peas are not like your regular like peas that are in the freezer section. Like, they're hard. So I've never had these before, and I just squeezed one and broke it. So that's fun. And so it says that you just have to I think it just says in a saute pan, and then drop the peas into water and cook no more than 90 seconds. So we'll see how that goes. I'll cook them, and then I'll puree them for baby. And if you guys want to see like a video of me making her baby food, just go ahead and let me know, and then I'll go ahead and film that for you guys to show you the process with doing that. Because I also make not just her like pureed fruit and stuff, I make her cereal as well. So like oatmeal and rice cereal, I make that as well from scratch for her. And then the next thing we picked up is, this is a first two, which is an organic Tuscan kale. And this is for a soup that I'm making this week. Now, normally we buy our kale from our international market just because it's like really fresh and organic from the international market. But we didn't go there today. So I just went ahead and got the organic kale from Traders. And then, so you guys know my struggle with salad. So what I decided to do in order to get the greens in this week is I went ahead and made salad a dinner option this week. So salad is actually dinner this week with all the toppings that you want on them. But we're going to get these greens in this week. For the refrigerated section again, this is our like maybe second or third time picking up this hummus, and this is the hummus dip, and we really like this one. They had another brand that I wanted to try as well, but I was like, I'll try it again next week if this is finished and if we finish this. So, but this is really good, and I normally get a naan bread from Aldi to eat with this, but I decided to get the naan from Trader Joe's, and I'll show you that in a second. And then for frozen items, the thing we got here is the roasted corn, and they also have a Mexican street corn that I really like from there, but obviously like I can't eat it now because it has like mayo and all that type of stuff in it, and it isn't vegan. So I just decided to get the regular roasted corn blend, and this is going to go also in the sweet potato and black bean burritos for this week, as well as a corn salsa that I'm going to make to go with our Chipotle bowls this week. And then, so this is a first for me, which is the Earth Balance butter. And what happened was, we had bought, before I decided to go vegan, I had bought like a really big tub of Country Crock, or I sent my husband to the store and he brought back, and they didn't have this, and he bought like a really big tub of Country Crock that he looked at the ingredients and it seemed that it was vegan. So, he was like, that's what he bought. And when he came home, I looked at the ingredients too, and I thought it was vegan as well. And I said, hey, like, I haven't heard many vegans talk about Country Crock, but it looks as if it's vegan. And as I looked on the ingredients, I noticed that it was all vegan except for the last ingredient was vitamin D3. So I was like, okay, well now we know. So we just finished that tub of butter. So I'm going to try this and I'll let you guys know how that works out. And then the last cold item that we have again that's making another appearance is the Green Goddess salad dressing. And like I told you guys last time I tried this, like I really like this one. Like I tried the other lemon and turmeric one and I really didn't care for it, but this one was really good to me. And eventually I'm going to try the miso ginger one, but I have to find a recipe that'll incorporate a salad that I can put that on. But this is really good, guys. And then as far as bread for the week, or our carbs for the week. Now, we bought the regular handmade flour tortillas from Trader Joe's before, and I was so happy about it, and they were so good. And I'm like, it's vegan, it's vegan, it's vegan. But my husband, we were just sitting down eating the other night. I made quesadillas, and he had just flipped the package over. He said, hey, babe, he's like, do you know that these aren't vegan? And I said, why not? And as you can see right there, they have honey in them. So that's a bummer because I really like how these taste. Like they remind me of the ones from Chipotle. So I don't know. Like I have to find now either go with the corn tortilla or find a flour tortilla that does not have honey in it. And then this is what I was talking about as far as the naan goes, because I normally get it from Aldi, but we decided to get it from Traders this week. And it's the tandoori garlic naan. And these like seem like they're thicker a little bit than the ones that come from Aldi, but I don't know. I'll let you guys know. And then that's the garlic flavor. So I'll let you guys know how that tastes. And I bought this to cut up and eat with the hummus. So I'll let you guys know. And then last thing we have are our naughty items that we get from Trader Joe's just about every week. But, we'll try to find healthier items, but then they wouldn't be naughty. So here we are. So they're the vanilla JoJo's. So I don't know if I showed you guys this one last time, but I don't think I filmed this. So normally we get the chocolate ones that remind you of Oreos. But these, in my opinion, are way better. And they have like vanilla bean, like you see with real vanilla bean speckles. Like, they're so good. So I would definitely recommend those. They taste really good. And then our last item that the hubby like requests every week are the Scandinavian Swimmers, because Swedish Fish is his favorite candy. And obviously, like, they're not vegan, or he does not eat pork, so he's pescatarian. So the fact that those don't have any gelatin or anything and like that in it, is a really plus for him. So he likes that. So here we have it, guys. This is our week's worth of groceries from Trader Joe's and Aldi, and then our one item from Sam's Club, which is the milk. So like, comment, subscribe, leave any questions or suggestions down below in the comment box, and let me know what you guys think, or any recipes that you think that I should try out, or anything that you want to see me buy or review. And like I said, let me know what you think. And thanks for tuning in to the Domestic Engineer 101.